Hello again, it's Kevin here at Technical Prospects with another tech tip video. Today we're going to talk about the balancing kit and the balancing gantry function on your Definition AS system. With each system comes a balancing kit. This kit here is all the weights, washers, nuts, all the things you need to make adjustments as your system needs it. The one thing nice about these kits is you don't have to keep like a paper inventory of what each thing weighs because it's printed right on there. So like in this plate here is a 100-gram plate and it's printed right on there what the weight is. So if it tells you to add 100 grams somewhere, this is what you need to use. Or also in the same case, if it was 122 grams, you'd use one of each of these. So an example where you maybe need to make a weight adjustment in your gantry. Say I just replaced an HV tank and the weight was just a little different. So during the field replaceable unit completion test, the balanced gantry portion failed and said I need to add 100 grams of weight at 173 degrees. So once you get your front covers open in your gantry and you're inside here, you identify by these white labels in the different positions. So right here we have 259 degrees, 213, 173 degrees is up here. So at this point I would go in my kit, I would identify the 100-gram plate that the service software told me to install, come into the system, install the 100-gram plate, 173 degree position, install the nuts to secure it in there, fasten it down. Then I could go on and complete my field replacement test by redoing the balanced gantry part. So also when you're running the balanced gantry test, you might have the exact opposite. It might tell you at 155 degrees you have too much weight and you need to remove 22 grams. So in this case you would come on here and just do the opposite. Find the 155 degrees, loosen the nuts, take the washers off, take off your 22-gram plate, reinstall them. Then you can go back and complete your parts replacement procedure by starting with the balanced gantry again. To view more tech tips like this, please see our resources page.